Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start accepting payments online the right way? Whether you are selling products, offering services, or running a freelance hostel, you need a PayPal business account. Today I will show you how to set it up fast and properly in 2025. Let's jump straight into it. What you need before you start? Before you start, make sure you have the following ready: a valid email address, working mobile number, your business name can be your own name if you are a freelancer, bank account information for payouts, optional business website or social media page. Don't worry if you don't have a registered business, you can still create a PayPal business account as an individual or freelancer. First of all, go to paypal.com, then click the sign up button, choose business from here. Now scroll down, then click get started. For most solo workers or creators, select sole proprietor. If you are registered as a company, pick accordingly. Okay, now enter your full name, like first name, last name, enter your email address, enter a strong password, then choose your country code like US and enter your phone number and click agree and create, then follow the instruction. Like enter your business details, name, address, phone number, and type of products or service you provide. Choose your category wisely, like digital media services or e-commerce, because it helps understand your business better. Now link your bank to receive payments. Once you are in, wait a minute. Log into your PayPal account again. Click login. Once you are in, you will see link a bank account in your dashboard. Verify your email address with this code. Copy the code and paste it here. Then click submit. Now wait a seconds and you will land on your dashboard. Click link a bank and follow the prompts. You might be asked to verify your identity, like uploading a government issued ID or confirming your phone number. This is normal and helps protect your account. Once you are set up, explore your dashboard. Here you can send professional invoices, create payment links, set up subscriptions, add a PayPal button to your website. Click Pay and Get Paid option. From invoicing, click Create and Manage Invoice and follow the invoice process like this. Click Create New, then Invoice, then follow the instruction. Again, click Pay and Get Paid option. You can send payment from here, set up subscriptions, etc. This is what turns your account into a powerful payment hub. Even if you don't have a full website yet, a few quick tips to avoid issues down the line. Always use your real name and accurate ad details using your national ID card. Keep your transaction descriptions clear. Avoid unusual and high-risk categories unless approved. If, if PayPal ever holds your funds, respond quickly with any information they request. It's usually easy to clear up. That's it. Your PayPal business account is now ready for action. You can start getting paid from anywhere in the world. From home, you will see your balance here. Go to Settings, set up two-factor authentication option from Settings. Then update your personal information like name, email, phone number. Go to Data and Privacy section. You can update blocked contacts, cookies. So that's it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more practical guides, and comment if you want a full tutorial on PayPal invoices, buttons, subscriptions, or auto payment setups. See you in the next